Wewe mzee, unafanya nini chini ya gari?
Naangalia for oil leaks bana.
Mbona?
Hii ni BMW, lazima.
Okay, sawa. This is the BMW E60 525i.
Nishasema hivyo.
Sasa mimi ningeacha wapi sasa?
This is the BMW E60 525i. E60, the 5th generation 5 series. I meaning this is a petrol car. As you can see, it's a nice car. So this E60 525i is a very unique car. It has been manufactured locally or locally assembled, and this car was in production from 2004 to 2010. The predecessor to this car was the BMW E39, and its successor is the BMW F10. So this is the 5th generation, as we say, and the E-series is up to the 8th generation, the G60 and its G60 wagon. A quick one, this E60 was also available in a station wagon version that was called the BMW E61 Touring. As you can see, this is a manual 6-speed, which is commonly known as a push to start, because if you ever run out of battery, all you need to do is to push it to start it. 6-speed manual transmission, rear wheel drive, speed goes up to 260 kilometers per hour. So this E60 comes with a naturally aspirated N54 engine producing 210 horsepower and 250 Newton meters of torque. A big reason why this car is a 6-speed manual transmission is because, first of all, it's a 2005 model. A 2005 model means it's almost 10 years old, and at the time, obviously, the biggest thing is all cars, or majority of cars, are manual transmissions. So guys, key features that came with this BMW E60 525i. Number one, BMW's iDrive technology, which was very useful and very revolutionary at the time. Number two, heads-up display, steering assist, lane departure warning, regenerative braking, active steering, and active cruise control. So guys, let's take a look at the interior of this car. Number one, leather seats and a wooden finish and leather interior all through, although it's a bit plastic. Number two, we have all these good knobs over here. The gear lever, of course. The steering has all these the buttons, which were useful and ahead of its time in 2005, if we are being honest. The gauge cluster, 260 kilometers per hour, as we said, and we also have side airbags on this car, which is a good safety feature.
Toka. As you can see, the BMW E60 525i is a very comfortable car. Kama unavyoona, for a person of my height of 6 feet, I'm very comfortable. The boot of the BMW E60 is also very spacious, big enough to fit one whole human being. The main rivals of the BMW E60 525 include the Mercedes E-Class W211, the Passat B6, and the Audi A6. In Japan, its main rivals were the Lexus GS300 and the Infiniti M350. Elsewhere, it had competition from the Jaguar S-Type and the Chrysler 300C. So, how does this car compare to its rivals? 1. It has a smooth inline-six engine. 2. It had a sportier look compared to the Mercedes W211 and the Jaguar S-Type. 3. It had an innovative iDrive system which was ahead of its time. However, some of its cons included high maintenance costs compared to its Japanese rivals. 2. Reliability issues if not well maintained. 3. The BMW E60 is not as spacious as the Mercedes W211. All in all, the BMW E60 comes with a leather seat. It's sporty look. Mbona uchukie gari kama hii?
So guys, that is our review of this BMW E60 525i. Tell us what you think down in the comments. Tell us what you think about its competitors, the W12, the Jaguar S-Type, the Lexus, and the other ones, all those other ones that we have talked about. As always, be sure to like and subscribe. Be sure like and subscribe to Drive Dudes. Thank you guys.